I got enough space on my phone. All right, this video is about tools. I don't know, I don't remember if I did a video on this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. This is a torque locking plier. Yeah, honestly, like, there's not much you can say about these things anymore because I've gone through the whole list of what do you call it? Vintage ones. I mean, not all of them, but I mean, come on now. This is a tool bench one, right? See, made in China. Look at this. Same thing. They're identical. They are basically identical tool. And to get even more fun, it's probably this one's. That's not the same. Let me check this other one. Oh, look, the Walmart brand. I like the little blue tip thing there. Walmart. This one's got a flat one. This one's got another one. But come on now, it's pretty much the same thing. So in order to not waste your time, which I'm going to waste a little bit of your time, not much. But firstly, if you want to get these things off here, the best way to get zip ties off is to grab them over here and just, they come off easy. See, ta-da! Where did I buy this thing? I bought this at our local. Here in Canada, there's a lumber yard called a lumber store, hardware store. They call it. It's like a giant one chain. They're called BMR, and this one is. Oh, guess what? It's made in China. Look at that. Made in China, 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 China. This part right here. Torques. I'm pretty sure they're all the same. If it's made in China, all these locking pliers are the same. I haven't seen anything new and exciting and legendary come out of the locking plier market out of China. I mean, they're the same. Nothing else I can say. And honestly, yeah, I'm pretty sure some of the really cheap ones way back when were trash, but now these ones are really cool. These ones are actually, I think they've upped their game because I've seen some really cheap Mastercraft ones and they sucked. Like, they didn't even line up. There was zero quality control, and it's just, they line up perfectly. They're sturdy, or the bolts are, the finish is literally got that weird surface finish, like the old vintage vice grips, but it doesn't have the same tinge as the vintage vice grips. The vintage vice grips had that nice, you knew it was a vice grip from a mile away just by the color. This looks too silvery. It almost like it had a goldish finish. There's a few rough edges, but for the most part, I can't complain. If you're gonna pay $10 for these, and you're gonna burn them up or throw them in a furnace or something, who cares? If you're gonna pay $25 for vice grips, throw them in the goddamn museum and get a set of these instead. So, but to me, basically, locking pliers to me are two things. They're clamping devices, or they're disposable devices for welding or any other kind of abusive work. And if you're gonna abuse something and destroy it, and it does the same thing, you buy one of these. So, without further wasting any further amount of your time, that's it. Cheap vice grips. They're made by Torx. You can tell they're lasered on there. At least I see Walmart, same thing, lasered on, cheap thing. At least the other ones I showed you, where are they? At least these ones had the decency to burn it right in, so 200 years from now, you can tell, but they're all pretty much the same. Yeah, look, see, CR-V. The lettering's a little different, that's it. The same dimple dents, there's nothing different. It's got the little cutting thing. The rivets in the same spot. The spring is a little shinier on this one, but same shit. The bolts are in the same way. The little spoon in the back, this one's a little bit not perfect. Other than that, what can I say? Buy cheap locking pliers. And don't get me wrong, the little more expensive ones have these fancy things on the end, which I really like. I wish Vice Grip would have thought of that, so you can hang them up. Also, you can put them this way, or you can put a hook through it. So the other thing I see neat before I go was the if you ever want to get stuff out, you clamp these on there and you buy one of those pulling things there. You screw it in the back and just rip right off. That's a really good idea. You can also, if you attach a piece of sheet metal to it, you can use this as a spatula handle. I'm just kidding. Yeah, you could barbecue with these too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click all the buttons, blow up the keyboard, type some whatever, do what you got to do. And thanks for watching. Toodles.